Let me start
Okay,
recording.
thank you very much for
Okay,
that.
you start recording, guys. So I'm gonna start this session. Okay, so basically,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let me explain the system first. Okay, there are basically two accounts, two terminals. Okay, first terminal. Okay, this one. You can see the mouse.
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, first terminal is a master account. Okay, second terminal
This is slave.
is a slave account. Okay, so what do we
Okay.
want to do is we want to copy the master to the slave account in a reverse manner. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the
Yep.
reason is very simple because this is a martingale EA and is doing M1 chart. Usually when you are doing martingale EA, the drawdown is very high, correct?
Exactly.
Usually when you're doing martingale EA, the drawdown is very high. But EA Budak Flat, it's a martingale hedging EA. Okay, so it will shoot up, buy and sell in two directions. Okay, but nevertheless, when we do the reverse copy, you will understand further what I mean. Okay, first, let's start with the master account. Master account setup. Oh,
Okay.
okay. So let's start with the master account. Let's be clear. Okay, first, okay, EU M1 EU M1. Okay, you all know how to bring the EA. You all know how to
I
bring the
think.
EA to the chart, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's easy, simple.
By now everyone should know how to bring the EA to the chart. So I'm just gonna show the preset for master account. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, for those who can screenshot, you can screenshot this. Okay, this is the preset of my Budak Flat master account. Okay, starting lot always 0.01 because the multiplier will go higher. Okay, this is live account. As you can see, I only do 1.15. Okay, then the take profit for master account is 0. Okay, we don't want any stop loss or take profit in the master account. Okay, we don't want any. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. 0.01. That's the okay. The others are all default. You just need to change this. You need to change pip step 6. Okay, it's much aggressive, but I will tell you why I want pip step 6 because I want to trail the bigger lot size. Okay, the bigger lot size. The small lot size, I'm not concerned at all. I let it go for broker stop loss. It's okay. Okay, the layer 1.15 for live account to be safe. Later I will talk about high risk, how to do 1.67 and 1.4. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Other than that, okay, that's all for Budak Flat on master account. Okay.
Yep.
Right. This is clear, right? Okay. For master account,
yeah, it's clear.
RONs. Okay, RONs. Okay, RONs like I said, I don't want any take profit or stop loss on the master account because we don't want to copy that. Okay, we don't want to copy. So take profit 0, stop loss 0. Okay, the rest is all default. I put classic trail. Okay, we want it to classic trail, means the old method of trail stop. Okay, stop step, all this.
Excuse me, just one question. This is for setting for copy or for master?
Master account. This is
master account.
We are now talking about master account only, the setup for master account. Okay, this is the master account. We want to put the take profit, stop loss 0. The rest is all default, classic trail on. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I think these two is quite straightforward, right? Now the copy.
So far,
okay, this is very important. Copy. Okay, so your copy EA is master. Your server account, you put empty because this is the master account. You don't have to put any account number in the master account. Okay, as you can see, okay, all these you can you can adjust according to your our FBS GMT +3 timing. If you just want to set London time, okay, that one you need to
Yep.
read manual. But never mind, if you don't understand, don't have to do this. Okay, you can always switch on and switch off manually. Okay, never mind. We do the basic
Yep.
first. Basic first, huh? Okay, so all this don't have to touch. Okay, in the master account, there's no need for reverse. It's still false. Okay,
It's still false. Okay.
still false. Okay, the copy stop loss use, copy take profit also is false. Okay, even the user take profit is still false. Everything all here is only right. Okay. This one I try to put, but it doesn't make any difference. Okay, it will still put Budak Flat on the other side. Okay, so basically, right, the master account is very straightforward. Only that no take profit. Okay, there is no take profit. There is no stop loss. We don't want that. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, all clear about this. Okay, so currently, right? Okay, how do we close the Budak Flat without stop loss and TP? This is where the secret recipe, okay, that we are using Ron's EA as a trade manager. Okay, we don't need a take profit and stop loss. Okay.
Yep. Got it.
Right. So because it will do the classic trail. Okay. I'm sure all of you will be like, oh no, use why are we doing an EA without take profit and stop loss? If you look at your chart now, okay, if you look at your chart now, okay, you look, try to see and make it. Oh, this one don't have. You can see those on I think those on desktop can see, right?
Can.
Okay, you can see now we are in the mid section of the range. Okay, we are in the mid section of the range. If you observe carefully, we have already started trading for 1 week. If you observe, right, you look at the lot size here and you look at the lot size here. It is small, right?
Yep.
This is buy 001. This is sell 001. This is master account. Okay, where are the bigger lot size? Is in the center. Okay, it's in the center. That is why the EA is making profit because it's moving in range. Okay, in the center. Okay, so let's say this session, right, or let's say the next session it goes up. What will happen to my sell? Okay, my sell will go into broker stop loss, but we don't have to be worried because the broker stop loss that is cutting the lot size, right, is very small. Okay, and there is a buy position here which is a bigger lot size. So when even it goes up, right, it is a bigger lot size. Then you will trail all the lot size which are bigger, and that's why the account will grow. But when you go into stop loss, broker stop loss means broker has his own margin, right? It will cut his own stop loss. You will only close all those small positions. And when the market return back, right, it will then sell back and take profit for all the other sell position which are the bigger lot size. Example here 1.16. So this is for the master account. Okay, unless what happened? What happened if the market goes out of range? Okay, we look at D1. Okay, what happened for the past 3 weeks? It went up. Okay, it went up a lot, right? Okay, this is what we don't want. Okay, the trend. Okay, so now what you should do, right, is this is the best time because the market is in range. Okay.
Yep.
And that's why we are making money. Okay, the market is in range. So you can set your border here. I already shared to you the border inside partners channel. We draw a line here. If it goes out of range, right, you need to watch. You need to watch because why? It may go into a trend again. Okay, like example this one, right? Okay, this is a range. Then this is a range. Okay, so if it goes out, your margin will go higher, your broker stop loss will start to cut all the small lots, and we want it to return back. Okay, we want it to return back. But if it doesn't return back and it goes all the way up, right, you need to have a very good capital, or you have an early sign, you already draw a line, right? You already draw a line here. Okay, you draw a line when you see the market move. When it goes out of the position, okay, you cut loss, break even, and close all. Stop the EA for a while, or you can find other pair which is going into a range. Usually what I do is, let's say example, the market is going up and it goes down, right? I start to on the EA. I start to on and see whether it goes down further or not. If it goes up, then I can draw my first line already. Then when it goes down, right, I can draw my second line. So I know that will be my range. So when the EA goes out of the line, right, it will go into a trend. Okay, a trend. And that's where we stop our EA. We find another chart to trade in range. But I usually like to do Euro USD because Euro USD is very nice. Okay, I can always find very nice range and very nice trend. When does trend usually, right, whatever comes up will go tired. Like you climb up the stairs, right, you will go tired. Like this one, right, it climbs up, you will go tired, then it will range. Or when there's a spike, okay, spike, news, okay, or spike down or spike up or dips, then it will go tired, okay, like this one, very sharp move, you will go tired, then you will go into range. Okay, so this part, right, we will earn money. This part we will earn money, and you need to have confidence, you need to have good capital. Like example, this range, right, you need to calculate. Okay, I think this one probably need a bit more, maybe 80k, 800 USD. This one very small, 50k is enough, but I'm also risking at 10k USD, which I already gain the profit more than that. Later I will show you the next terminal also. So 50k is good for this, more than enough. This kind of size, right? Okay, like that, you draw a line, then you draw a line here, right? This kind of size probably need 80k. Okay, clear about the trend and how do we enter our or start to switch on our Budak Flat. And best time to start is London time. Okay, you go and use your FX Hours Android app. Go and check when is your London start time. Okay, or just before London, you all start to go in. Then it will start to multiply the lot. Okay, then for the first 4 hours, it will start to multiply. The next 4 hours, right, volatility starts to come and the chart will go up and down. That's where your profit will start to come with bigger lot size. Then you will have your chart arranged. Okay, you will see, right, there is the buy at the top, right, and the sell at the top is a smaller lot size, and all the bigger lot size, right, is all in the center. So we want to trail all the big lot size and shoot up the profit. Okay, everybody clear about this?
Yep.
Master account clear about hedging and Budak Flat in the master account. Okay, let's talk about
Yes, sir.
okay, before I move on to the master account, any question? Master account only. No question?
No,
Actually,
there's
no
no
question.
No question.
No question.
Wow, you're very experienced. That's why I like you all. Are all very seasoned players in the market. Okay, let's talk about the slave account. This is my slave account. It's doing even better because why? It has also Budak Flat here, and it's also copying a reverse position from the master account. Okay, so let me start with the Budak Flat first. Okay, I am confident. Okay, I am confident. Okay, I do here also 1.15. Okay, 1.15, same. Okay, you can do lower if you are a bit worried about your capital. Okay, you can do 1.1. Okay, because why? We are also copying the reverse or open positions. Okay, so 1.15, same pip step 6. Only here is you are, that's where the slave right need take profit lah. You put 50 pips. Okay, the rest is all the same. Okay, nothing much. You can screenshot this also. Important is the presets, right? Okay, actually this one, right, if you know how to set your London time to only do London time, right, you see start date and end date, start time and end time. You can set Monday to Friday, then you can set the London start time and London end time, you need to do a GMT plus 3. Okay, you look at your VPS time, you look at your local time. Okay, then you put the time in. What time you want to put? Okay, the London hours. But if you don't want to headache, right? You don't want to what is this timing all about, right? No worries. Just press start at London time, end of London time, withdraw. Simple as that. Okay. Okay, Budak Flat, quite straightforward, right? Okay, we talk about the copy later. RONS EA. Okay, here RONS EA, there is a take profit. Okay, why? Because I want it to take profit during a flash crash. Okay, when broker say that he gives off market codes, he cannot say no to my take profit or my trailing. Okay, so FBS I have seen flash crashes, right? And if it's in my direction, they cannot so-called win against my RONS EA. Okay, this RONS EA is very powerful. He has hidden stop loss and TP. He will try to catch profit to lock, target points to lock, and also take profit. So your profit won't run away. Because why? You are not copying any stop loss or TP from the master account. Okay, from the master account, you're not copying any. So it's zero stop loss, you will catch. But of course, if the direction is not in your luck, if you all have been a seasoned player, flash crash, we cannot escape. If it's not in your luck, the market will just from here, then just go down all the way. Okay, then we just accept it. Okay, market is not with us. Okay, everybody clear about RONS? It's quite straightforward, right? It's similar, only that here that we have take profit. I think everyone is interested in my slave. Okay, I think everyone is interested in this. Okay, so here you put slave. Okay, you put the account number that you want to copy. So this is my account number, right? 1856. Okay, you all see this is live, right? Correct? Okay, so this is my account number. I input here. Okay, I don't want to think about timing, date, or Monday, Tuesday. I just switch on and switch off. I know when I need to monitor. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, you see, there's not much settings that I touch. Everything is the same. This one, I will teach you how or when to do. I think this one really catch that I do during range. And when I'm confident, right, I can set a lot multiplicator higher also. And that's why you're seeing 755% in my account. Okay, I have some trade secret here. Okay, it's actually this lot multiplicator. Okay, I can copy even more aggressive. Okay, copy even more aggressive when there is a trend. When the master has high drawdown, I know that it's going to break out a trend. Never mind, I want to earn some money in my slave also. I'm going to reverse copy and copy at a higher lot size. This is what I do. I switch to 1.4, 1.2, or 1.1. It depends on what I want. Okay, later I will talk about that. But if you don't want to headache, just copy 1.0. Copy the same lot size. That's what's inside the master account. Okay. Okay, no need to headache about the rest of the settings. Okay, everything all can be found inside the website for copy MT4. Okay. Okay, this one. This is where the magic happens. Okay, reverse copy. So when master account, okay, is in trend, okay, is going against the market direction, the slave account gonna copy and follow the trend. Okay, and follow the trend. Okay, this one everyone clear, right? You all have already experienced the copy reverse, right? So usually when we do martingale, you see a high drawdown, then we like, oh, what am I going to do about it? Then after that, next moment, you know, the trend goes up and you go on margin call. Okay, so this is one of the solutions that I do for martingale. Okay, to do a reverse, so-called reverse martingale, but it's not actually reverse martingale because we're not copying any stop loss or take profit. It's actually to reverse it to follow the trend. Okay. So this reverse mode is very powerful. Okay. So what is lacking? Okay. Here, this is the secret recipe. Okay. Don't copy the stop loss. Do not copy the take profit. I'm sure this you all have seen, right? Correct. What is the latest update yesterday? Okay. Take profit to true. Okay. We want the slave to to take profit at 100 points. We want to scalp as the trend goes up, as the open position goes up at 60 step or open candle, right? We will get up the trend, okay, get up the trend. Then as the lot size follows, okay, we will close every 10 pips, okay, every 100 points, and you will grow your account, okay? So that's how the system is, you see. When we have a drawdown on the other account, okay, although it can make money, but let's say there's bad days and you didn't watch the trend, and the trend comes in and there's a drawdown, and you need to correct that. We want to balance two accounts, when one account is not winning, the other account is winning. Okay, that's how we want it to happen. Okay, then when the drawdown already subside and the market start to retrace, right, it goes into sideways, we still got, okay, Budak Flat in the account, in the slave, to actually win also the slave account. Okay, that's why there's this Budak Flat here in 1.1. Of course, how much do you think that I started out this 45k now, which is already 45k? It's actually 10k only. Okay, I think it's 12k or 10k only. Okay, now it really jumped to 45k. It's doing Budak Slave at 1.15, and it's also copying the reverse trade. It's earning even more, you see, even more than the master account. Okay, so I can leave it to you. I'm doing live for master and slave, no problem. I'm doing live for master because I know and I'm confident, and I know when to watch the market when it's in range. But when the market start to trend, I better stop this and find another pair to go and target. Okay, and try to get their money. Okay, okay, everyone clear about master and slave now? It's quite straightforward, right? Anyone got question? Do you all have any
So actually, I
questions?
don't have any question. No.
Okay.
Everything seems pretty great to me.
Okay, say what do you need to know, and maybe I can help you answer. Any questions?
Hello?
Okay, you all got any questions? Shoot now. We only got 40 minutes. Any question, guys?
Hello?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Is it Abdi Bazil?
Yeah, it is Abdi Bas.
Okay, come shoot your question.
Today I have done a multiplier. I think I already told you 1.4 on the master account,
Okay,
and the slave account 1.15 as usual.
okay.
Then I think I've doubled the account, the master account, just by I think hours.
Yes,
Within
I
hours.
saw that because the multiplier is 1.4. Outstanding.
Yeah. Should I make the slave account 1.4 as well?
You should, but you must work with a higher capital if you're using 1.4 multiplier.
Both of the accounts have the same equity, 400 and 400.
400 and 400 should be okay. 1.4 should be okay, but take note that is only for a 1 day strategy. 1 day target 100% and above.
It is more than 100%. It was 40. It was sorry 500, and then today it is 1,400.
Outstanding.
Within hours, just hours.
Yes, outstanding.
Yeah, it is within hours.
London hours, right? London hours.
Exactly. Yeah, I turn it on London hours.
Yes.
Once the market just opened.
Correct.
Just like you said.
Yes, just like what
but I was
said.
a little bit confused. Yeah, exactly. Just like you said before.
Okay.
I was just like confused. Like, should I make the slave account as well 1.5 layer, or should I just leave it 1.15?
You should actually leave it at 1.15. Okay, because it's copying a 1.4.
That's better.
Then remember I tell you
Exactly.
that your master account, you don't have to put the account number in.
Yeah, that I did. I'm sorry for that. I did put the account number for the slave,
Okay.
but I removed it right now. I
Okay.
see that you did not do that. I did remove it as well.
Okay, we got 10 more minutes. Okay, so your master account, I saw there's a small mistake. Is the master account has the slave account number. You don't need to put that then I need you to go through inside the partners again. Is there any of the preset, or after this video session, right? Is there any of the preset that you copy is wrong? Because I think I have perfected this copy
Yes.
system. And it's okay by right, right? By right.
Yeah, I did a mistake also, but I see now that everything is clear.
Okay.
The
Okay. Are
the
you
slave
getting,
account.
are you
EA
getting
Budak
any,
for the slave.
okay, are you getting any losses in the slave account?
No, none of them. I didn't have no loss. Both of them. Both the real. I'm using real accounts for now. I started like yesterday for the real account.
Oh, okay.
There's
So
no loss. Both of them are correct.
the slave account shouldn't make any loss because now we are in ranging. It's a very perfect position now to really start doing Budak Flat. Everyone who has not or start only doing demo, you can set it up. We can start on Monday, because why? Like I have shown you guys. Okay, now is the best time. You look at the range. Where are we? Okay, where are we? Let me show you guys again. We got 10 minutes. Okay, let me show you guys.
Okay.
Again. This is a you don't see the bulldozer. Bulldozer is a scam robot, man. I had my partners being scammed because of that. Okay, never mind. Okay, talk that's later we can check aside in the Telegram channel. Okay, look at that. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This is a trend, right? Now the chart is tired. It's going sideways. It's going sideways. Look at that. This is D1. D1. This is D1. I'm telling you guys. Okay, this is the best time. Okay, look at that. The chart is in the center. It will eat up, it will eat down, it will eat up, it will eat down. When do you stop? When the chart is here. When the chart is here, you stop. You see, that's why you see on the slave account, right, there is a TP50. You see this TP50? It's actually a marker for me to range my EA to hedge both top and bottom. So if let's say if one of them really hit TP50, right, actually, right, it might go in out of the range and go up into trend, and that's where you really need to stop. You need to cut loss. I think by then, for next week, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you already earn 500%. It's okay to blow that account 100% blow. Okay, for the last one, okay, you have withdrawn 100%, 100% on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but the 5th day, let's say it goes out of trend, never mind, it's okay to margin call. You can try again, no problem. Okay, at least you already got 400% secured, which is actually the minimum. Today, Abdi, you make how many percent? Abdi, you make how many percent today?
I think I made 140%. 140% because it was
140%.
40K. Yeah, I have today 1,400.
Correct.
I tripled the account.
140% in one day. You see, minimum is 100%.
In
okay?
not even in one day, in just hours.
Hours. You see that, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. You see that, guys? In hours only, you make 140%. Okay. Imagine if you came in at the right time. When is the right time? You see now? Okay, it's at the center. You see, it's in the range, right in the center. You will go up, go down, go up, go down. If it goes out, okay, you all better stop. You go down also better stop. You also can do this. I think most of you all know how.
And I also market that.
Yeah, I think most of you all know how to draw horizontal line, right? Okay, horizontal line.
Yeah, I already drew it once. When you send it to the group, I wrote everything.
Okay, you can draw.
Like
you can draw a horizontal line. You know, I don't need horizontal line. From here, I can already see my lines already. Okay, but if you need to draw lines, go ahead, go and draw lines. Okay. Okay, example like that. This is your range. See, range. This is your range. Look at where your chart now is in the center, guys. Look at that. In the center. It's very nice. We wait for the next few days. I think it will come out of the range. Okay. When it comes out, you all have to stop. Seriously, you all have to stop. Find another chart, maybe GU. But I like EU because EU is very easy to catch the range. Okay, it will trend, then it will range. Okay, then it will trend, then it will range. That is how EU behave. Okay, so how do I see? Okay, example up, right? You see up, then you see it goes down, right? I will have start here already. Because why? This shows that the chart is tired and it goes down. Okay, then you can know that the next move can be up or down, right? So now it decided to go down a bit, then it went up. Oh, this is very nice. There you draw your first line. Then when it goes down here, right, you draw your second line. Then you know that it's already in range already. And where are you now? You see, you are in the center. You can carry on doing your Budak Flat and carry on to take 100%, 200%, 300% until it goes out of the trend. You have to stop this, withdraw. Withdraw the money. Don't keep the money. Withdraw, man. Okay? Keep it in your bank first. Enjoy the capital plus profit. Okay, then keep trying again and doing this again. I'm sure 1 month you can get 1,000 to 2,000% can be done. Okay? Anyone got any more question, please? Should better ask questions. Later I'll post this recorded video in our partners channel. So partners who have missed will know what the questions are being asked. Guys, I'm sure you want to get 700% like me, right? What do you want to see? You want to see the deposit? Okay. Don't worry, guys. This is Sen, okay? I will not boast if this is standard account, okay? All right. It's only $12,170, okay? Okay. I already withdraw 10,000 USD dollars. Profit 336, guys. Okay. Give it a try, man. Give it a try.
Is this the master or the slave?
This is only 1 week, man.
No, is it the master account or the slave account?
This is the slave account. The slave is making more money than my master account.
And the master.
Ah.
That's wonderful.
You see how I balance out the two accounts? People think, oh, the master, because, okay, master account, I'm doing lesser multiplier. If I were to put it at 1.667, it cannot last a week. It's only for, if you are doing 1.4 to 1.667, it's only for 1 day strategy or two maximum. No, I don't think it can last 2 days. Only 1 day. Okay, trust me. 1 day, you get the profit, you get out and you withdraw. You cannot last for 1 week. 1.15 can last you for 1 week. Okay, I'm a bit aggressive at times, but I'm also a conservative trader. Okay, I rather do my 1.667 when actually I should have done just now. Okay, I should have done just now. Okay, because the market was in range and I should just plan 10k USD to make 20k USD and out I go when London ends, when the time is going to come for withdrawal. And like I said, right, when London ends, right, you look at the drawdown, gentlemen, my dear partners, you look at the drawdown. It's not very high, see? With the big lot size in hand, you look at the drawdown. This is not high, man. Maybe later when I come to midnight my time, okay, which is the London end, I'll post the results out to motivate others also. Okay, guys, I'm sharing here is EA Budak Flat because why? Okay, I also don't want to claim this EA is mine, but what I can tell you is I've known Budak Ubat for quite a while and I've known his martingale strategy for a very long time. Okay, of course, we had discussion with coders and scripters to make a good hedging EA so that we can use it, but I do not include the trail because why? It's available for public and I want the whole public to use. Okay, when the public know that this is a free EA and the EA cannot make money, that's even better, right? Okay, so we can use and the EA will not get saturated because why? Only partners, okay, in ProfipipsHunter FX System will know how to make this profitable. Okay, only you partners here are my pioneer. So called after I've tried this for many months, then I release to the public. Okay, because I need to get this EA not saturated. Okay, so we want to list out to public try and say this EA is not good. It will make you poor, you know. Okay, good. Then we will make ourselves better. Okay, we know how to make this EA good. Okay, so this is the slave account. This is the master account, 1 week. Okay, my master account is earning less. Okay, you all want to see the daily? See the daily, but it is still good. I'm at my end of my trading window, 200% per week, guys. Not good enough for you guys. Maybe we want to try Arbitron, man. Maybe 1,000% a day.